If you'd like to see how I transformed a plain Dollar Tree wine glass into this elegant glass with pearls, keep watching this video.
YouTube, today I am going to be embellishing this Dollar Tree wine glass with these lovely chrome metallic pearls. And I did already paint it. I'm not sure if I still have this part of the video, I can't remember. But if I didn't already show you this, I painted this glass with this folk art enamel sterling silver paint. Now I'm going to go ahead and start and add the rhinestones. I'm going to be using liquid fusion glue, which I already have some of this in a precision tip bottle. And later in the video I will be adding this decal and embellishing the decal as well. Alright, so if I did already show that part. Okay, so the paint has dried. It's not perfect, it's a little blotchy, but it's still fine. That's exactly what I need it to be, because I'm going to be covering this up with the pearls anyway. And again, this does have 1,440 pearls in here. Size is 2 millimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 millimeter. So you have the various amount of sizes here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to cut this open across the top. And I like to mix all mine up. You can cut open the sizes that you feel like you'll only need. I use them all. So I'm just going to go ahead and put these in here. Make sure I have an even amount of all of them. Let's see. And this is great because you do have the really small sizes to get in between those bigger sizes. I like how these pearls have this really pretty mirror-like shine to them. Why is this one not opening up right? So I like to start right here on the edge, right across this side. Really? I like to start right across the edge, right on this area right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to add your glue. I like to start with the, I like to start with the 3 millimeter, which is the second biggest size, because it fits perfectly on this little edge here. Or you can go with the 4 millimeter. I can just kind of eyeball and tell which one it is. Sometimes I may make a mistake and grab the bigger size, but that's fine, as long as you get this edge covered up. Okay, so just keep them nice and tight along the edge. Add your glue section by section, just so it doesn't dry out and get gummy on you. I'm just going to keep going around the edge, nice and tight, and then I'll work my way around this base area. Okay, so I have started, and now I am on the base, and I just kind of keep going around in a circle. If you want to do however you do it, you can go in clusters if you'd like to, then you can work your way up the stem. I'm just going to keep going around in a circle for now, and then eventually I will start to do clusters. It just all depends, because this is just like a pretty much a scatter method, because we're using so many different sizes. So you can just kind of watch and see how I continue to go ahead and add the stones here. We'll see how I continue to add.
Okay, so just keep on applying your pearls And I like to just do a couple splatters of the glue and add my bigger size pearls. And then I just go in between and add the smaller size in between that in little clusters. But you can feel free to do it however you like to, whatever makes you comfortable. Really quickly, I'd like to give a shout out to my new subscribers and my old subscribers, all my subscribers. I just recently hit 4,000 subscribers and I am so excited about it. Thanks you guys for subscribing. I really appreciate it.
Okay, I had to swap my memory card out, but this looks like it's pretty, let's see, is this crooked? Well, it looks fine to me. Sometimes it's hard to tell, but it looks fine to me. So I'm just gonna take this old credit card scraper, whatever you have, and just apply pressure. And make sure it's just on there nice and even. Make sure you get the air pockets out. I think I have a couple of them. I'm not gonna worry about it because I'm going to be covering up this decal. I'm just gonna use this as like a base. And I'm just gonna trace it out with the pearls. Okay, so sometimes I have to put up a fight with these decals. Again, mine is not perfect. It's just not. I have a couple little air pockets right here towards the bottom. I like the mirror effect on here. So what I'm going to do, I am just going to start to fill this in with some pearls.
Okay, you guys, here is the final result of this lovely Dollar Tree DIY wine glass that I used the assorted pack of the pearls on. And I think this came out very, very, very pretty. I also did a video like this with a glass that was similar, but I used gold pearls. I'll insert that clip at the end of this video, but I do like the way this turned out, especially if you're one of those people who have the real pretty, the white and the silvers decor in your home. This would be so, so pretty. This would be great for an event. And I just like the look of pearls. I really do. And this will be the best or one of the best birthday gifts someone could receive. If you don't go with the crown, you could do an initial or you can just go with a name. Or if you don't even want to do a crown or a name, you could just go blank and do the stem. Or pair these pearls up with some rhinestones. That would be very pretty as well. Now, I'd like for you guys to let me know, what do you think? Are you going more so with the pearls of the gold look or the pearls with the silver look? Me personally, I love them both, of course, but it's something about the gold. I love the gold. I really do. I like the style of the crown on the gold as well. These were both very fun and pretty and elegant glasses you can do, just to throw some ideas out there. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you did receive some great ideas, some great inspiration. I will have some links available where you can purchase both sets of these pearls with all the different sizes in them. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to. If not, thanks for stopping by. And I do have playlists that include tons of videos of me embellishing wine glasses, and I have videos of me embellishing and glittering wine bottles and liquor bottles as well. So check those out also. Okay, you guys, bye-bye.